In this video, we'll discuss about various stages that occur in histopathology of OSMF. So starting with early stage, we will advance to the moderately advanced stage and then the advanced stage. Now coming on to the early stage, in this what we see is that the juxtaepithelial area, it shows early hyalinization. Then we see that the collagen, it is seen in separate bundles. There are plump and young fibroblasts. The blood vessels, they are dilated and congested. Also, the inflammatory cell infiltrate, what you will recognize is basically we will have only three types of cells, that is plasma cells, eosinophils, and lymphocytes. So you can remember it as LEP, okay, as LEP. But what you will see is the characteristic pattern that the predominant cells will be in this characteristics. You have to remember P, okay. So what you'll do is in the first one we have P in front, so you will write the plasma cells as being the occasional ones, and the rest two, that is after P, the rest two being the predominant ones, that is lymphocytes and eosinophils. Now coming on to the moderately advanced stage. Now in the moderately advanced stage, what we see is there is hyalinization. So there is amorphous change in the juxtaepithelial area. Then the collagen, it is moderately hyalinized. There are occasional separate bundles that are seen. Also, they are separated by slight residual edema. Now, what happens is the fibroblast, they basically become adults, that is they have an elongated nuclei and scanty cytoplasm. The blood vessels, they are normal and they are constricted. Now in the inflammatory cells, I told you the trick. Now we have E at the second, so we will write eosinophils being occasional and the rest two being predominant, okay. So occasional, and the lymphocytes and the plasma cells being predominant. Now let's talk about the advanced stage. Now in advanced stage, what you will see is that the collagen, it will be completely hyalinized. Now it won't be seen in the form of bundles, but it will be seen in a uniform sheet-like pattern. Then the fibroblasts, they will also be no more present, and then we will see that it basically becomes hypocellular. The blood vessels, they will be completely congested. Now in the inflammatory cell infiltrate, as I told before, we will write the eosinophils as being occasional, and the lymphocytes and plasma cells being the predominant cells. Lymphocytes and plasma cells being the predominant. So this completes the histopathology of OSMF. I hope I made it easier for you to understand. Thanks for watching.